Good morning and welcome to the opening trade. I'm Ayla. Before we get started, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found by both link and text in the description of this video. Alright, so let's take a look at our account balance. I'm really tired, sorry, bear with me. Alright, here's our account balance. You can see the cash value. 1 second. Alright, you can see the cash value, the excess was the starting, and the net liquid. I'm so sorry. Thought I got them all out before I started this. Alright, so this is where we're starting off at today. So let's take a look at the back test results from the last 90 days. I can't stop yawning. I'm so sorry. Ah, my brain apparently needs all the oxygen. Good thing those automated trades are done for me because I am tired. Alright, here we go. So this is the NASDAQ futures start end date, max drawdown, gross loss. Alright. I can't talk because I can't stop yawning and my eyes won't stop watering. It's just lovely. Good. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit there. Then we have the S&P 500, start and end, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit. Then we have the Dow Jones. Again, the start and end date, the max drawdown, the gross loss, and profit and total net profit. And I'm just going to laugh all morning because this is absurd. So bear with me. And then we have the Russell 2000 futures chart here. With our start and end days, our max draw down, and our gross loss, profit, and total net profit. Alright, so here we have our charts today. This is the S&P 500, the NASDAQ futures, the Dow Jones futures, the Russell 2000 future, and the euro versus the American dollar, showing the euro. The first automated trade we could potentially see today will be on the NASDAQ futures, so we will be looking at that one first. Make sure to check out our website, theopeningtrade.com. Alright, so let's get into the news today. Maybe. Oh, my page doesn't want to refresh. Alright, there we go. Today is Wednesday, and the only thing we're going to see is at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, the crude oil inventory report is going to be released. Then tomorrow, I feel like this is how you feel watching me all the yeah, because it's so early for some of us. All right, so tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, we have the advanced GDP quarter for quarter report coming out, and then the advanced GDP price index quarter for quarter, and then the core durable goods orders month over month, the durable goods order month over month, unemployment claims, trade good balance, and the prelim wholesale inventories month over month will be released. All right, so let's go to something maybe more interesting. All right, LIC Housing Finance to issue 3-month CP. Sweden's Vattenfall investigates new 2.0 gigawatt nuclear capacity at Ringhals. Wheat, gotta get to our food, always the food. Wheat is up 4 to 8 cents. Soybeans are down 4 to 8 cents, and corn is a mix. I love corn. All right, so let's see. We got less than 2 minutes before our first automated trade will take place if the parameters have been met. All right, so Norfolk Southern misses quarterly profit estimates on higher operating expenses. Wall Street eyes lower open as weak earnings updates dent sentiment. I can't speak. I need water. DCG owned crypto exchange Luno to cut 35% of the workforce from CNBC. All right, India's CEAT posts third quarter profit on strong domestic demand. Okay, we have less than a minute before we could see our first automated trade. So we'll be watching this chart, which is the NASDAQ futures.
Order submitted.
So there we are. We're automatically in a trade. You see the range is not very big today, which is great. We wanted to go down to the blue, or this whatever color that is showing up for you as. You can see it's bouncing right now on the overnight low. This is an automated trade. We're letting it go to show you the automated trading. And it is in favor of what we like to see here. And the trend. It is in favor of the trend. And what I like to see. Those green numbers.
Target filled.
So that means it was automatically closed out and in a win, which is amazing. So we're up right now, 425. So we have 3 more trades that potentially could go off in 4 minutes. So in the next less than 4 minutes, we're going to talk about the news. The good old news. So you see it's gone past the overnight low. It's still seeing movement. Alright, what are the other charts doing? Let's make sure we're set up correctly. Alright, whoa, watching that. This is the Russell 2000 futures. You see it's down below support 3, below the pivot point. This red line was the overnight low. It has gone way past that. Alright, so let's look at the news. Oh, let's change our chart. I closed the chart. I have to get back my NASDAQ chart. Cause I hit the wrong button. 1 second. So right now you're seeing the okay. Is that correct? That is correct. Alright, so this was the trade we were in. Okay. So we won this automated trade, which is great. Our next potential trade will be could be all 3 at once in less than 2 minutes. So let's take a look at the news. Alright, so let's see. Baltic index falls for the 7th session on lower capsize demand. KC demand? I don't know what that word is. Alright, so India's future retail executive chairman Kishore Bayan resigned. We have less than a minute before we see our potential 3 trades go off automatically. Why is Sonoma Pharmaceuticals SNOA up 70% today? The Canadian dollar steadies ahead of expected rate hike. And Romania's M3 money supply growth quickens in December.
Order submitted.
Okay, so here we are. We are in order on the S&P 500, and it is an automated order. We did not see we are in a trade on the Russell. We're not in a trade in the Dow. So let's watch the S&P 500. And we will be between there and this one, which is the Russell 2000 futures. So of the 3 potential automated trades, the indicators only saw parameters met on 2. So 2 automatically fired off. And that was for the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000 futures. So those are both automatically just in a trade doing their thing. In an automated trade, there is free trials to these automated trades on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in the video description below. Also, while you're there, like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for being a return viewer, and if you're new, welcome. We're into automated trades right now. This current chart we're looking at is the automated trade on the Russell 2000 futures. Both are hanging in there. Quite a bit of movement. Let's see. Well, looks like it's moving in the right direction. What is going on? Come on, people. Alright. Ooh. Almost hit the wrong button. Let's see here.
Order filled.
Alright, that means somebody got out. Who got out? So we saw a loss on the RTY. We're still in the S&P 500. And it is not looking great. We're hoping for it to go the other direction. So it's in an automated trade right there. We are still in an automated trade on the S&P 500. Let's see. Individual investors raises stake in Bosnia's Japara. Germany's Leopard tank move puts spotlight on its maker, Rheinmetall. LA, oh, we already said that one. Hungary Bank accepts bids worth 6.87 billion for 1 month's deposit. ICICI House Finance accepts bids for 5-year bonds. Traders. Why is Grom Social Enterprises, GROM, stock down 30% today? We're still in an automated trade and it's bouncing around. We're hoping for it to go the other way. If not, the stop loss will, stop the hemorrhaging, hopefully. Alright, let's see here.
Order filled.
So there we hit the stop loss. After all trades are calculated for the day, we are down $162.50. Alright. Let's take a look here if I can get the chart to move. Nope. Move, gotta move. Alright, here we go. After all the trades have fired off. This is the cash value, this is the starting, here was the net liquid, the trades we saw, the realized loss, and total loss for the day. Okay. Now let's see, back to the news. What's everybody else doing? Let's see. S&P, the Dow, the Russell, the Euro versus US dollar, and the NASDAQ. Okay. Shiba Inu declines 6%, gets flipped by Litecoin in market cap again. Romania's annual bank deposits grow steady in December. TSX opens lower ahead of BOC decision. NASDAQ slumps on Microsoft's caution on revenue. Dow and SP drop as well. Emerging markets no longer at cliff's edge, but LATAM more exposed, Moody says. All right. What else do we have here? Coming through, coming through. U.S. natural gas futures dropped 5% to a 19-month low on less cold forecast. Oh, imagine that. It's going to be less cold and people won't use gas. Saudi Arabia sees borrowing around 45 billion rials in this year. Roger Shao on cusp of final nod for protracted I don't know this currency symbol $20 billion deal. That's a lot of money. Bulgaria's non-government deposits grow 14.3% year over year in December. And Canada's December factory sales most likely down 1.8%. StatScan flash estimate. 1 Inch Foundation allocates 10 million tokens to the delegation incentive program. First mover Americans. Did Binance make honest error with customers' funds? The Fed's Bernard frontrunner for the White House top economist post. Amara Raja, batteries Q3 profit rises on demand from automakers, telecoms. ECB's Nagel, interest rates may need to rise again after March. And why is esports entertainment with the ticker code GMBL stock up 27% today? Take a look here at the charty. Alright, so this is the Russell 2000 futures, the Dow Jones futures, S&P 500 futures. What is the big news coming out tomorrow? I think we went over that. We did. What's the big news coming out on Friday? On Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, the core PCE price index month-over-month report will be released. At the same time, the personal income month-over-month report will be released, and the personal spending month-over-month report will be released. And then they'll see some more reports at 10 with the pending home sales month-over-month report being released and the revised UOM consumer sentiment report being released and the revised UOM inflation expectations report being released. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and hanging in there with me. Let's see here. Wrong button. There is free trials to the automated trading systems you saw today on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on the website and in the video description below in this video. I need a fan. No fresh news. Alright. Okay, guys. Well, don't forget to read and understand all the associated risks listed in the website. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Ayla, and that's going to be it for today. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.